front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth right away. Now activate it thanks to gray switcher at the top right corner and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one you wish to connect to. Tap on this icon next to allow access to your contacts to enable or disable it, and then select pair. Now wait for the other device to react. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, mine was successfully connected. To disconnect them, click on this gear right next to your paired device and hit unpair at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!